Welcome to the Mluka Academy. So today we will, I am myself Anil Kumar Skeja. We will start with the, we have started topic arithmetic progression. So that we will continue with the same. So we have given 2 or 3 lectures I think on this. Then today we will discuss in arithmetic progression class 10th arithmetic progression. So today topic is arithmetic mean. Mean, or we can say that AM. If we want to find a arithmetic mean between two numbers, that is just same as simple mean. A is equal to A plus B upon 2 is AM between A and B. So this is the arithmetic mean between A and B. And if you want to get the arithmetic mean of n numbers, for example, arithmetic mean of A1, A2, A3 up to AN, that will be given by AM will be equal to A1, A2, A3, AN upon N. This is the number of items. Now we can insert any number of arithmetic means between two numbers. For example, if you want to insert, so the rule is this: if we insert n arithmetic means between A and B, then we have got A, A1, A2, A3, AN and B are in AP. So the resulting sequence will be in AP. ये हमारी AP बन जाएगी. So इसमें हमारे पास अगर हमने निकालना हो D तो कैसे निकालेंगे? We have got first term is A, last term is B, A is equal to A, L is equal to B, and then N क्या होगा? N will be, N तो इसमें arithmetic means है, total N क्या हो जाएगा? N plus 2. And we know that Tn is equal to A plus L is equal to Tn is equal to N minus 1 into D. So ये हमारे पास B है, ये A है, N minus 1 into D. So B minus A upon N minus 1, this will be equal to, so N क्या है? N plus 2 है, इसमें से minus 1 करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? N plus 1. So ये हमारा D आ जाएगा. इसको हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करके we can find the different values of arithmetic means. So this will be your there. Then sum of n arithmetic means. If you want to find the sum of A1, A2 up to AN, this will be equal to NA. That is the n into the single arithmetic mean between A and B. That is, this will be equal to n by 2 A plus B. Now if you want to find this, we have all these are in AP. First term is A plus D and last term is B minus D. And if you want, these are n terms, so Sn is equal to n by 2 first term plus last term. So यही हमारा फॉर्मूला होता है, यही हमने स्टडी किया था. So this will be Sn is equal to n by 2 A minus A plus D plus B minus D, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. A plus B upon 2 into n, which is n into A. So sum of the all arithmetic means is equal to the n into the single arithmetic mean between the numbers. Then we have got, if you want to suppose the number of terms in AP, if you want to get the 3 terms, 3 numbers in AP can be taken as, 3 numbers in AP are taken as A minus D, A plus D. And if you want to take 4 numbers in AP will be a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus 2d, a plus d and a plus 3d. So just make a simple rule that whenever you want to assume the odd numbers, the central number must be a, then proceed forward and backward with d. If you want to move forward, plus d. If you want to move backward, minus d. So this will be your, but if you want to assume the numbers, even numbers in AP, then difference should be of 2d. There will be no a here. So likewise we can have these numbers. Then some properties of AP, we have got some properties of AP. So if we have got A, B, C are in AP, then we can add any constant number to it, subtract, multiply or divide by a constant number, the resulting sequence will be in AP. For example, if A, B, C are in AP, then we can say A plus K, B plus K, C plus K are in AP. This shows that adding a constant, अगर सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो भी यही होगा, अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे के ए, के बी, के सी आर एन ए पी और ए अपॉन के, बी अपॉन के, सी अपॉन के आर एन ए पी. So this is a basic rule in arithmetic progression. If we are given a sequence in AP, then whatever number we can take, we can add that number to all the numbers, that will be the AP. If we subtract the same number from all the numbers of an AP, the resulting sequence will be AP. If we multiply the sequence, all the numbers of sequence by a constant number, then resulting sequence will be in AP. And if we divide the numbers by a constant number, the resulting sequence will be in AP. Then next is the terms, the sum of the terms equidistant from beginning and end is constant, and that is equal to the sum of first term and the last term. So if we take any two terms from the equidistance from beginning and end, so that will be, for example, here you can check that if you want to, when we find the sum of these. So first arithmetic mean is a plus b and last is b minus d. When we add to, what will happen? It will be equal to a plus b, that is first and last term. So same is the case with AP. Whenever we take the any term, then we can get the an. This is very important rule. An is equal to half an minus k, an plus k. That is, a number can be obtained by dividing by the terms equidistance from both the sides. Add them and get the average of these. You will get the same number. For example, if we have got the 7th number, then 8th and 6th, and average of that will be equal to 7th number. Okay. Then next is, we have got some formulas that we will write here after rubbing it. So first I will rub this part. Then next is sum of natural numbers, some formulas which we can use frame using AP, sum of n natural numbers. This is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. It may be like this or it can also be like this up to n. Then sum of odd natural, sum of n odd natural numbers, sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square, and sum of first odd even natural numbers is n into n plus 1. So likewise this is the sequence 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 up to n terms. So this will result into n square, and this is 2, 4, 6, 8 up to n terms. This will be equal to this. Then next is sum of squares of n natural numbers. So this will be equal to 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up to n square, n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 over 6. Then sum of cubes of n natural numbers, that is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up to n cube. This is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So these are the some of the formulas which we can use directly. Then we have got some questions, examples. Example 16. The sum of three numbers on AP is minus 3. Sum of, example 16, sum of three numbers in AP is minus 3 and their product is 8. So we want to find the numbers. Find the numbers. So what we do here, what the question says, the sum of three numbers in AP is minus 3. So whenever we want to find the three numbers in AP, how we can assume those numbers? I have just written here. Three numbers in AP can be assumed as so solution is, let three numbers in AP be A minus D, A plus D. So take the numbers in such a way such that they are, when we take the sum, this will result to the D will cancel out. So we are given sum is equal to minus 3. Sum is equal to minus 3. So this will be A minus D plus A plus D is equal to minus 3. D cancel with minus D. 3A is equal to minus 3. A is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now we have find the value of A. What else we want to find? We want to find the value of D. And what we are given? We are given product is minus, product is 8. So product is equal to 8, it means a minus d into a plus d into a is equal to 8. So this will be a square minus d square into a is equal to 8. So we substitute the value for a. This is minus 1 square minus d square is equal to 8. So this will be, take minus to this side, 1 minus d square is equal to minus 8. So this will be 1 plus 8 is equal to d square, or we can say d square is equal to 9, d is equal to plus minus 3. The value of d can be plus 3 or it can be minus 3. So when d is equal to plus 3, numbers are, so what is the a? Minus 1. So minus 3, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, and this will be plus 3, it will be 2. So these are the numbers, and when d is equal to 3, numbers will be minus 1 is a, plus 3 is 2, and plus 3 minus 1 minus 3 is minus a minus d, a minus 1 minus 3, okay, minus 1 plus 3, it will be, now we have to take minus 3, okay, minus 3 plus 3 ho jayega, this will be 2, minus 1 and this will be 4. You will get the same 3 number in both the cases, the result is same, okay. Then next is find 4 numbers in AP, but before that we have to rub the part. Okay, then next question is, so topic is arithmetic progression. So example 17th is, so what you want to get? Find 4 numbers in AP whose sum is 20 and sum of whose squares is 120. Find 4 numbers in AP whose sum is 20 and sum of squares is 120. Okay, so we want to find the 4 numbers in AP. Now we know the formula. When we have to assume 4 numbers in AP, how do we find them? So we assume let 4 numbers in AP be, so this will be a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. Okay, these are the 4 numbers in AP. Now the sum is, what is the sum in this? This is 20. So just it will be a minus 3d implies that a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d is equal to 20. So these two cancels out, minus d plus d cancel out, 4a is equal to 20 and value of a is equal to 5. So we have find the value of a. Now what we are given? Sum of squares. Second condition is sum of squares is equal to 120 degree. That is a minus 3d whole square, a minus d whole square, a plus d whole square, a plus 3d whole square is equal to 120. Okay. Now use the formula. It will be a square minus 6ad plus 9d square. Again a square d square minus 2ad. Then a square d square plus 2ad. A square 9d square plus 6ad is equal to 120 degree. So you can check your this 6ad plus minus cancels out, 2ad plus minus cancels out, we get 4a square plus 9 9 18 and 2 20d square is equal to 120. Put the value of a is equal to 5. So 4 into 5 square, it will be 20d square is equal to 120. This is 25. 4 into 25 plus 20d square is equal to 120. Now this will be 100 and plus 20d square is equal to 120. So 20d square is equal to 20. So d square is equal to 1, d is equal to plus minus 1. Now we can write the numbers. So when a is equal to 5, d is equal to 1, number will be 5 minus 4, 5 minus 3, 5 minus 1, 5 plus 1 and 5 plus 3. So this comes out to be 2, 4, 6 and 8. So these are the numbers. And when d is equal to, when a is equal to 5 and d is equal to minus 1. So this will be 5 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 3. So this comes out to 8, 6, 4, 2. So these are the numbers. 4 numbers in AP whose sum is 20 and whose product is sum of squares is 120. Then next is 18th question. Example 18th. So divide 32 into 4 parts which are in AP. Divide 32 into 4 parts in AP such that product of extremes to ratio of product of extremes to product of means is 7:15. So this is again the same question. What we have to find 4 numbers which are in AP. Divide means whose sum will be 32. So again 4 numbers in AP will be solution. 4 numbers in AP. Let these are a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. सो इनका सम क्या दिया है, सभी का सम 32 है, इम्प्लाइज दैट a माइनस 3d, a माइनस d, a प्लस d और a प्लस 3d इज इक्वल टू 32. So these two cancels out, d और d cancel out, 4a is equal to 32. a की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी, 8. वैल्यू ऑफ a is 8. So the numbers क्या हो जाएंगे अब, we know that numbers will be a minus 3d, 8 minus d, 8 plus d और a plus 3d. Now we are given with the condition. Condition क्या दी है, रेशियो ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम्स. एक्सट्रीम्स कौन से हैं, जो बार वाले हैं, ये एक्सट्रीम्स हैं. That is 8 minus 3d, 8 plus 3d upon product of means 8 minus d, 8 plus d is equal to 7 upon 15. So this will be 64 minus 9d square upon 64 minus d square is equal to 7 by 15. Cross multiply it, so you will get 15 into 64. This will be 60, 960 minus 135d square is equal to, this is your 420 and 28, 448 minus 7d square. So this will be 960 minus 448 is equal to 135d square minus 7d square. So just calculate it. This will be 512 is equal to 128 d square. So d square is equal to 512 upon 128, cancels at 4, d is equal to plus minus 2. So numbers will be a is equal to 8, d is equal to 2. तो क्या आ जाएंगे नंबर, 8 minus 6 2, then 4 6 and 8. और जब a की वैल्यू 8 होगी, d की वैल्यू -2 होगी, तो क्या आ जाएंगे 8 this will be your 8 minus 2 6. So this will be 32 14. No, this is something. So when a is equal to 8 and the numbers will be 8 minus 3 into 2, so 8 minus 2, then 8 plus 2 and 8 plus 3 into 2. So this will be 2, this will be 6, this will be 10 and this is 14. And when a is equal to 8, d is equal to -2, numbers will be 14, 10, 6 and 2. The numbers get reversed when we change the value of d. So this is about the, so what we have did that we have divided 32 into 4 parts. 4 parts is just when we take the sum of those parts, that will be equal to 32. So we assume the numbers in AP, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. We are given sum is 32. So when sum is 32, we add these three numbers, a minus 3d, second number, third, fourth. 3d plus minus cancels out, minus d plus d cancels out, we get with 4a is equal to 32, a is equal to 8. Now what we are given the condition, we are given that product of the extremes, ratio of product of extremes to the product of means is equal to 7 by 15. So applied the condition, cross multiply, so you will get d is equal to plus minus 2 Then when A is 8 and D is equal to 2, you get the answer as 2, 6, 10 and 14. So this sum makes 32, and when it is D is equal to minus 2, again we get 14, 10, 6, 2. So this is all for today. So revise these questions. We are attaching a PDF file along with this part. Go through this part and we will continue with the same tomorrow. Thank you very much.